Hey there. So you clicked on the right video. We are going to be doing a video on how to sell out your business using TikTok. I don't even really know any TikTok dances. Is there? That's the Millie Rock. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivalapinkposh, and for those of you who are new here and this is your first time seeing my face, hi, I'm Veronica. I create videos that revolve around online businesses and social media. And today we are going to be talking about TikTok. So the first thing that you want to make sure before you are trying to sell your business out using TikTok, you want to make sure you have an actual website, guys. I've seen this so I've seen this so many times where people have businesses, but they only use Cash App or Venmo or slide in my DMs to sell products.
You guys, no, I'm sorry.
No, you can even use Etsy. If you do not want to create a website, use Etsy. If you cannot afford a website, I have a video here. I'll link it. You'll see this card slide in. You can create a free online business, absolutely free. There are no hidden costs. Do that. Do not use DMs to generate sales. That's not it.
Nope.
So after you have created your online website or your Etsy, not in the DMs, we are moving on to tip number 2. Number 2, you are going to create content marketing your products. So this video is an example of me marketing my nose rings. This video is an example of me marketing my hair wigs. Market your products. You do not need influencers. You don't need ambassadors. Use yourself. Market your own products. You are your biggest fan. Make videos of yourself wearing your products. Make videos of yourself styling your products. This is my wig. I have it on in my videos, thus I'm promoting it. If you guys want one, link in the description. Stop. So now that I got your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and it supports me and it helps me to keep creating these type of videos that are helping millions of people around the world. Like, don't you guys love these free gems? So subscribe. Back into the video. So while you're marketing your products on TikTok, you want to make sure you are using trending sounds. This is why I don't recommend putting your TikTok on business account. When you put your TikTok on a business account, you can only use commercial music. So you have the option of business account, commercial music, no trending sounds, but you have a link in your bio. Then you have a regular account where you can use trending sounds, where your videos will show up on those trending sounds, and then you'll have to build your profile up to be able to get a link in a bio. Which one would you prefer? Business account or regular account? I'm gonna go with the regular account, which is what I did. So the third thing you want to do is actually go ahead and create some type of coupon code, some type of savings that your TikTok followers can claim. Only your TikTok followers can use this code. They're the only ones who know about this code. So take that code, create the code. You can name the code TikTok. Put it in your bio and allow people to use this code from TikTok. This works brilliantly, and you're also able to track the orders that are actually coming from TikTok. So the fourth super duper quick tip, super important, it will definitely skyrocket your sales. You are going to reply back to comments that people leave on your TikTok content. So they're gonna comment, oh, so I'm gonna use my resin guns for example. So how do you hang this resin gun? So I would go to that comment and hit on the side where it says reply with a video, and then I would reply back with a video showing the person how to hang up the wall art. So this will get your video a lot of views. It should get your video a lot of views. Nothing is promised here, okay? So this is a feature that TikTok likes to push. I've done it a few times. TikTok loves to push video comment replies. So reply back to comments using videos. Number 5, and the last tip, is going to be engaging with your audience. There are billions of people on TikTok and not a lot of them reply back to comments. I know that because I've always been a person to reply back to my comments because I feel like it's, I wouldn't say annoying, but I feel like I will more likely support someone who replies back to my comments than I'm likely to support somebody who doesn't reply back. It's like people love to be acknowledged, so reply back to your comments. It definitely helps a lot. So guys, there you have it, my 5 tips to helping to sell your business out using TikTok. I swear I've done it. I'm at 8,008 followers right now. My followers actually went down a little bit, but it's to be expected when you're in social media. Your followers go up, your followers go down. So I'm at 808, and I got there because of a viral video of a product that I made. So I'm telling you guys, TikTok for business. It's definitely key. You're able to actually see on Shopify where your orders are coming from. So wherever your orders are coming from, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, use that platform. That's a platform that's working for you. That's a platform that's generating you the most sales. But for me, it's always TikTok. It's TikTok for me. That's what people always comment, like it's the head for me. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If your business is on TikTok, go ahead and leave your business TikTok below, and I will head over there and show you guys some love and check out your TikTok pages. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. TikTok. I'm obsessed with TikTok, honestly. Corvette, hopping on. Jet. I don't know the words.